hopefully from his bed, as he should be resting, and has some thoughts on your list, Playmaker. One of my favorite, he's so dramatic. One of my favorite segments absolutely ruined by Michael Irvin when you put Tony Pollard, a cowboy, ahead of Derrick Henry's 219 yards rushing on first take. Pathetic, just pathetic. And Ryan Clark knows it too. Oh, and he gave you a hashtag.
It's his sixth
shameful.
time doing that. It's his sixth time doing that. That's, I mean, you know, it's commonplace for that motor. So I don't, you know what I'm saying?
My only issue was you big up Zeke Elliott and then your playmaker was Tony Pollard. That consistency, that's a story for another day.
It was 14 rushes.
Oh,
it was pretty amazing. No, Molly, he had a great day.
I know. But when he starts smiling like that, I know he knows I'm right. He gets this little
14 rushes. No, but he cannot go a whole game. We don't want to break him.
Don't get upset.
We just want to use.
We don't want to break anyone, and we don't want to break up the team unity. We don't want to do any of that.
Right. We got all that.
We need them together. Dak and Zeke. They came in together.
Thanks for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN Plus.